One of the things that you may run into when working on diesel trucks is a question of fuel contamination. So it is somewhat frequent for gasoline to be added to diesel vehicles. Unfortunately, in modern diesels, that results in a very, very expensive repair. One of the really simple and easy ways to test for fuel contamination, specifically gasoline contamination of a diesel fuel system, is with the styrofoam technique. If you're not familiar with the styrofoam technique, my name is Andrew, and this is Rogue Wrenching, and today I'm going to teach you exactly how to do it. It's simple, it's easy, and we're going to show you in a very controlled and safe manner. So let's dive right in. So first things first, we've got our 3 control cups. These are paper cups, so they're not going to do anything abnormal. We've got our gas and diesel mix on the left, straight gas in the center, and then straight diesel on the right. Now, if we look up inside of these, we can see there's a slight color difference here. The gas is obviously a much lighter color, much cleaner, or much clearer, and then the diesel is much darker. Now, the thing is that the gas-diesel mix is almost indistinguishable if you didn't have side-by-side comparisons. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna pour these samples into styrofoam cups that we're gonna put on this piece of cardboard right here. Now, I want to point out that we're doing this in a very safe and controlled way. We've got cardboard to illustrate what we're seeing, and then we've got good floor dry around it so we don't make a mess or spill any of this fuel. So unfortunately, I wasn't able to get 3 of the same size cups, but this is gonna work for what we're trying to show you. So the first thing that I'm gonna show you is the straight diesel. Straight diesel goes in the cup, and you'll notice, well, nothing happens. Next, we're gonna pour straight gas into the cup. Oh, we had a little dribble there. So what we are looking for here is straight gas will actually melt through styrofoam. And here in a second, it's gonna spill out the bottom. So that's with straight gas. Now, if we were to pick up the bottom of this cup, that's what gasoline does to styrofoam. So now with this final cup, we're gonna pour in our gas-diesel mix. Now, this may take a moment, but any amount of gasoline will melt styrofoam, as you can see here. So we're just gonna set this up in the back corner. We're gonna let it sit for a few minutes, and we're gonna see if any fuel leaks through. And here we see, once it starts leaking, it usually leaks pretty quick. So you can see the fuel. There it is. Ah. Anytime you do this test, for maximum accuracy, you want to let it sit for between 5 and 10 minutes, and if anything migrates through the styrofoam, then you can conclusively prove there is some contaminant other than diesel. Most likely it's gasoline. Sometimes the gas may be so minor that you can't even smell it or see a color difference. However, when you do this test with the styrofoam, you can always find it. So I hope this helps you guys in some way. If it did, please give it a thumbs up so that it can spread to more people. And if you want to see more content like this, definitely hit that subscribe button down below, and we'll see you guys in the next video.